If you have a women's fashion brand, this is how you can use Foreplay to spy on your competitors' ads. So I'm here in Foreplay's Spider, and I have opened up a spider on my competitor, Sporty and Rich. And now I can see every single ad they launch in real time. It's like I have a personal assistant that's saving all of their ads and collecting them in one place for me. I can see that Sporty and Rich have 458 ads currently running. 97% of them are dynamic and 3% are images. They have 11 image ads. These are the ads they launched the most recently. So we can see there's some lifestyle photography of a model walking down the street, sitting down in a professional studio. And we have this video ad as well. It's probably a bunch of different lifestyle photography shots. Yes, it is. Very cool. And now I can filter these to just see the top performing ads. I can see the ones that kept turned on the longest. These ads here, this one, which they kept on for 231 days, this one 231 days as well, and this one 162 days. And then I can add a filter to just see the ones that they're still running right now. And we can see that these black and white shots, I'm going to save these to my swipe file for later, are their longest running ads currently. This one's been live for 79 days. If I open this one up, I can perform an AI analysis on it as well. And I can see that this is appealing to esteem, security, and achievement. We have a athletic wear brand for women's clothing, and we have 3 different shots of a athletic woman wearing Sporty and Rich's clothing. Let's save a few more of these ads. And let's take a look at another AI analysis of one of these longest running ads. This is another black and white shot of somebody who's very athletic, sitting on a couch wearing Sporty and Rich clothing. And we can see again that this is maxing out on achievement, competence, and esteem. If we take a look at the creative targeting, we can see exactly who this ad is targeting, and it looks like it's targeting fashion-conscious people. If I click see more here, I'm going to see the entire ad auction analysis, every ad that is competing for fashion-conscious individuals. Now I want to see which ads Sporty and Rich kept turned on when they turned the rest off. I want to look through their creative tests, spy into their ad account, and see which ads they've kept turned on. So I can see here on January 28th, it looks like they launched 2 ads and only one of them is still on and one of them has been turned off. Let's check out the one they kept turned on. So we're really describing the lifestyle here with this collection product. We have some very fun music. We have beat matched shots changing with the song. And we have a lot of these shots that seem like they're candid. It seems like somebody else was recording her from a distance. Some of them are quite shaky. They're definitely not professional. It's very cool. It's a very cool ad. Awesome. Let's take a look at some more of their ads that they've kept turned on. So on December 10th, they launched 30 ads and no, not 30 ads, 230 ads, and only one of them is still running. Okay, so this is the winning ad out of 230 ads that they launched. We have coming soon, the Paris drop online Friday, December 13th at 9 a.m. PST as the primary text. It says save the date, December 13th at 9 a.m. PST. We have a girl who's pulling back the curtains. She's wearing the Paris drop. We have 2 versions of it, one for story, one for feeds. And then we have a link to the website with the logo for the brand. This is a very cool ad. I want to save this to my swipe file so that I can use it later in a brief for my team when we're creating our new ads for our new collections. We can see here that there's a very pointed AI analysis here. This is appealing to curiosity, urgency, and engagement. And the creative is targeting people interested in fashion and anticipating new releases. How cool is that? The AI has found that people who anticipate new releases would be interested in this ad. I can also see which landing pages they're using right now in all of their ads. So we can see actually they use a couple of these landing pages only once or twice. It looks like product pages and collection pages here. We have some lookbooks. This one was used 26 times, is no longer live, wasn't captured. But this landing page here with loads of different products being merchandised, it's the all products collection filter, right? We're going to collections and all products. We have filter and sort by, and we have 2 column rows on mobile. Let's see how many columns there are. 4 columns on desktop. This is being used in 2,266 ads. So if I'm thinking about which page to send people to after they click on my ad, I can use what Sporty and Rich have learned, which is that this all products collection page is probably the one. We're merchandising loads of products. We're creating so many opportunities for our customer to see a product that they love and add to their cart, and especially with quick add to cart functionality like this little plus icon you see in the bottom right of each product. This is creating the opportunity for customers to create huge carts as well. All they have to do is tap a few pluses and they have a multi-product cart as opposed to just purchasing the one thing they saw in an ad that got them to click through to the website. Okay, awesome. So that is how you can use Foreplay Spider to spy on your competitors and market leaders' best performing ads and inform how you're going to launch your next ads. Why waste your ad spend taking guesses with what's going to work when you can research exactly what your competitors are launching and launch their best performing ads?